Welcome. This is Form 3 Mathematics, and the topic today is errors and approximations. The question reads, the sides of a triangular stool were measured as 8 centimeters, 10 centimeters, and 15 centimeters. Calculate the percentage error in the perimeter correct to 2 decimal places. So, the first thing we need to take note of here is that the measurements, that is the dimensions of the stool, were 8 centimeters, 10 centimeters, 15 centimeters, and these are measurements to the nearest whole number. So that means that the least unit of measurement is 1 centimeter. So the error in each measurement is obtained as plus or minus a half of the least unit of measurement, which is 1. So that is 0.5, rather plus or minus 0.5 centimeters. So this should help us in determining the limits for each measurement. So we will begin with 8, so that the upper limit becomes, we simply have 8 plus 0.5, 8.5, and the lower limit we subtract, so that is 7.5. Next we have 10. 10, we have 10.5 for the upper limit, and lower limit we have 9.5. Next, we also have the number 15. Upper limit is 15.5, lower limit is 14.5. So from here, we also need to remember that perimeter, the actual perimeter, is obtained by simply adding the dimensions. So we have 8 plus 10 plus 15, and that should give us 33, of course, centimeters. So next, because you're required to get the percentage error, the first thing that we need to determine is the absolute error in calculation of the perimeter. So we are going to have absolute error given by maximum perimeter minus minimum perimeter, all divided by 2, so that when we work out the maximum perimeter, we simply have the sum of the maximum values of the dimensions. So we are going to have 8.5 plus 10.5 plus 15.5, and that should give us 34.5. Next, we are also going to have the minimum perimeter, which for this case should be the sum of the minimum values, 7.5 plus 9.5 plus 14.5, and that is 31.5. From there we can now get the absolute error. Absolute error, therefore, is obtained as maximum perimeter, which is 34.5, minus minimum perimeter 31.5, all over 2, that is 1.5. From there, we'll now get the percentage error. Percentage error is equal to relative error multiplied by 100, and the relative error is equal to absolute error, which is 1.5, over the actual perimeter, and the actual perimeter we had obtained as 33 centimeters. So we're going to have it down here as 33, and then we'll have to multiply that by 100, so that this should become 4.5454. Of course, it's recurring, and because we were directed to have this to 2 decimal places, we will have to round off this value to 2 decimal places. So we will have the percentage error simply being approximately equal to 4.55. Of course, that is to 2 decimal places. So that's it for this question. Thanks for your patience. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.